Right, hello again everybody. It's been quite some time since I did one of these little demos. I can only apologise. Christmas, lots of commissions and a stinking cold, as you probably still hear. So before I get into a proper demonstration, I'm going to do a really quick sketch in my sketchbook just to get myself warmed up. This scene along the harbour front at Staithes, and as always, what I'm attempting to do is to do as much kind of one continuous line drawing as possible. It's not just for effect or for showing off. I just like the way it, I like the feel that it actually gives the drawing, rather than it's the looseness that I'm after always. Still, after all this time, still want to do nice loose drawings rather than anything that looks carefully planned. So let's do these windows in. So I hope everybody's, let's put this little set of windows in. I hope everybody's keeping well and safe and sane with everything that's going on. COVID certainly isn't showing any signs of loosening its grip on the world, so I think all we'll have to do is kind of grin and bear it and learn to live with it. So for this little demonstration, all I'm going to do is the line drawing. I'm going to do it in two halves. I'm going to do the line drawing and then the colour. And it's kind of, I think it's kind of apposite, to use a posh word, that I've chosen a picture of Staithes because I've just found out that I managed to secure a venue for the Staithes Festival in September. So that's really exciting. Those of you in the UK that kind of know about the Staithes Art Festival will appreciate what a big deal it is. Those of you who don't, are outside the UK, just look it up on the internet. It's a fantastic 3-day weekend art festival in Staithes on the North Yorkshire coast. Which hasn't actually happened for the last 2 years for obvious reasons. So for it to be finally going ahead, I think is a fantastic piece of news. And the key thing, sorry, I'm just drawing away and talking like about nothing to do with the drawing. Sorry about this. But the key thing because Staithes is only a small village with limited, I think there are steps there, with limited space available, the key thing is being able to get a venue to exhibit in, and I'm really delighted to have been able to secure one. So that's the big hurdle done. So I need to get myself sorted. So yeah, warming up with a sketch of Staithes I think is not a bad place to start. I've actually, don't know if you can see, yeah, you can see right over the edge. I've actually run out of space there, but that's That's fine, that's the edge. And let's give it some foreground. These are big, probably mooring posts, I would have thought, for boats in the beck. This this water is it's the beck at Staithes. I thought it was called Roxby Beck for many years, but I was put right, so it's just Staithes Beck, and it completely alters the look of the village when the tide's in and it's full of water. So yeah. And what drew me to this, some steps going up there. What drew me to this originally was it's the perspective again. Everything. It's all about dynamics with a drawing. And what you can't see, because I'm filming it from above, you can't see how much or how little I'm actually looking at the drawing. My drawing in the sketchbook rather, I'm actually looking more at the reference photograph and just trusting. You see, I've missed that building there. There are some steps coming down there. So let's do some context here, and that goes around there. This lovely pen I'm using, it's my favourite pen. It's a Kaweco Brass Sport, and it looks to me like there's some kind of a lean-to. It's a Kaweco Brass Sport, and it's filled with Rohrer and Klingner sketch ink, waterproof. So I can add watercolour washes to it, which I'll do in part 2 of this tutorial demonstration. So I think that's about as far as I go, and let's have a look how long that took. Little over 7 minutes, and I'm really quite pleased with that. I'll just put some heavier profile lines on, and this geological thing at the back is called Cowbar Nab. It's fantastic. Really distinctive strata lines. If I put too many in ink before I've got the washes on, I think the whole thing will can look a bit confusing. So I'm going to stop there. Put a few more kind of rock shapes in there. So yeah, give me a couple of days. I'll process this one and upload it, and then we'll move on to the colour stage, and make some sense of that. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next little bit. Thanks very much, everybody. Oh, and a Happy New Year, even though it's middle of January. Take care, and see you again very shortly. Bye.